what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Logitech Wireless Combo. This comes with both a full-size keyboard as well as a mouse, and I'm super excited for this as I've never seen anything like this before. Alright, so starting off we have our USB receiver. And then our mouse. As well as the keyboard. Alright, so getting back to the mouse, it comes with one AA battery in the back, as well as a little storage area for the USB receiver. The mouse has 3 buttons including a scroll wheel, and honestly this is not the best for games where you need a lot of programmable buttons, but for an affordable mouse it definitely works. This mouse also has a smooth optical tracking sensor, and the mouse itself has a battery life of 12 months. And the mouse is also super lightweight, so it's very easy to just glide along. So going back to the keyboard, it comes with 2 AAA batteries, and it has a battery life of 36 months. Also on the back are 2 height adjustable feet. And the keyboard itself has 33 feet wireless range. I believe both the mouse as well as the keyboard are compatible with USB port, Chrome OS, as well as Windows 10, 11, or later. Alright, so that does it for the unboxing, and for $30, this is a pretty good setup. You have a mouse here, you have a programmable button on the middle, and then you also have a couple programmable buttons on the keyboard. The typing experience for the keyboard, you have a nice springy feeling. That's something that I especially enjoy, but the thing is though, is that it's a little bit louder at times. But I mean, with the programmable buttons, there's not a lot, so it's a little harder for extra gaming, but it definitely works for $30, so. And of course, with the cheaper price, you also have a cheaper material, so it's a little flimsy on both the keyboard and the mouse. But definitely, if you're looking for an affordable setup, this is the one. It's very simple, and the design is also simple as well. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye!